Today, we are going to be working on our very first math project. We will be doing this together step by step. Today, you will be using a scale, paper clips, and different pieces of fruit and vegetables. Our goal is to see how much they weigh today, leave them out over the weekend, and then weigh them again to see if there is a difference. The first thing we're going to do is make predictions. On this prediction page, we are going to decide what we think and don't think is going to happen. It's kind of like an estimation. Prediction doesn't have to be right, it's just a guess. So this first one says, predict what will happen to the weight of the food after a few days sitting on the cupboard. Well, if I've already weighed it today, I have to make a guess on what I think will happen. So I might say something like, I predict that the food will weigh more. Okay. The next one, what do you think will be the difference of putting the food in different places, like in a sunny spot or a dark spot? You are going to write, I think that, and then give me your opinion. So I might say something that, like, I think that the food would get smaller faster than in the dark. Now, I might be completely wrong on this, you guys. That's why it's a prediction, just a guess. Okay, where will you put your food? Ooh, where will you put your food while you are weighing it? So for me, I'm going to put my food on the table next to my scale. And that would be my prediction. You could say you're going to put it on a paper plate and it's going to be in front of the scale, wherever you think you're going to put it. Okay, once you have predicted, we are going to move on to our instructions of how to use the scale. This video may or may not work just by pushing play. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the top of the page, and there is a little rectangle that says Google Classroom. If we click on that, it will show this video for you. The items you are going to be weighing today are pieces of bananas, potatoes, tomato, apple, grape, carrot, cucumber, orange, and lettuce. As you saw in the video right before you saw this page, you see how to use your scale. So if you have a piece of banana on one side of the scale and you start counting paper clips, 1, 2, 3, until the scale is balanced on both sides, then that is where I'm going to write the answer, because one paper clip equals 1 gram. So maybe, for example, maybe it took 43 paper clips, so I would put 43 grams. Do not do anything in the green or the yellow columns. This is for Monday when we weigh them after they've been sitting out. So all you need to worry about is putting an answer in each of these on the one blue column. Make sure after each item you take all the paper clips off and start over again. Now that you've weighed all of your food, you are ready to find a safe place to store your food in our classroom. Make sure that no one will bump it or set something on top of it, and no furry creatures can get it, which means we don't want to put it right on the floor because someone might bump into it or step on it, or maybe we'll get a mouse. Yikes, I hope not. So here are some examples of where you can put your food. You can put it on the counter, in a cubby, on our bench, which is not white, it's turquoise, by the window, maybe by the sink. You get to decide where you want to put your food and see what it does over the weekend. I'm excited to come back Monday and see what your food has done. Good luck!